Investing time and money in crafting or purchasing rustic wooden indoor planters represents not just an aesthetic choice, but a profound commitment to enriching living spaces with nature and artistry, making them a worthy addition for anyone passionate about home decor or the natural environment. The allure of rustic wooden planters goes beyond their charming appearance. They serve as a bridge that connects the indoors with the serenity and vibrancy of nature, encouraging individuals to create a sanctuary that reflects their love for the earth. This integral relationship between plant life and home decor promotes not only an uplifting atmosphere, but also fosters a sense of well-being and sustainability that resonates deeply in today's world. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. One of the primary reasons for investing in rustic wooden indoor planters lies in their ability to contribute warmth and character to a living space. The organic textures and natural hues of wood create a welcoming ambience that can soften the often stark and sterile feel of contemporary interiors. Whether a striking centerpiece on a dining table or a subtle accent in a cozy nook, these planters infuse personality and charm, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the home. Each handmade or carefully selected planter carries its own uniqueness, imbuing the space with a sense of individuality that reflects the homeowner's personal style. The rustic finish, with its weathered edges and rich grains, creates an inviting juxtaposition against modern decor, fostering a harmonious balance between old and new. This visual appeal not only draws the eye, but also encourages engaging conversations, making a home feel alive and welcoming. Moreover, incorporating indoor plants in rustic wooden planters promotes a biophilic design, the concept of bringing nature indoors, which has been shown to offer numerous psychological and physical benefits. Plants improve air quality, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being, enriching the living environment in tangible ways. By housing these green companions in aesthetically pleasing wooden planters, homeowners can create an indoor oasis that nourishes both the body and soul. The process of tending to plants can also be a therapeutic ritual, grounding individuals in the present moment, while allowing them to cultivate life within their homes. This nurturing relationship with plants fosters a deeper connection to nature, reminding us of the beauty and balance that the natural world provides, even within urban or indoor settings. In addition to their aesthetic and health benefits, rustic wooden indoor planters embody sustainable practices that resonate with eco-conscious consumers. Investing in products that are made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood reflects a commitment to environmental stewardship. By choosing rustic wooden planters, whether crafted by hand or purchased from artisans, homeowners can support sustainable practices that prioritize preservation over exploitation. This investment extends beyond the product itself. It encompasses a lifestyle choice that aligns with values of conservation and appreciation for natural resources. The stories embedded in each planter, whether they come from repurposed barn wood or are inspired by traditional craftsmanship, carry on a legacy of responsible living that honors the materials and processes involved in their creation. Crafting rustic wooden planters offers not only an opportunity for individuals to express their creativity, but also to instill a sense of pride and accomplishment. For those who choose to make their own planters, the act of working with wood is inherently rewarding, allowing for personalization that mass-produced items simply cannot provide. This creative endeavor becomes a reflection of one's taste and values, a unique expression of individuality that transforms raw materials into functional art. The tactile nature of woodworking, sanding the surface, shaping the corners, or finishing the personalization, invites a hands-on, immersive experience that fosters mindfulness and intentional living. As artisans pour their time and energy into crafting these pieces, they forge a connection with the materials and the plants they will ultimately host, enhancing the overall emotional value of the planter. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. Furthermore, purchasing rustic wooden planters supports local artisans and small businesses, promoting a thriving creative economy that values craftsmanship and community. In a world dominated by mass production, choosing to invest in handmade items can make a significant difference, fostering a marketplace where quality and creativity are prioritized over quantity. Each planter crafted by skilled hands tells a story, embodying the passion and dedication of the artisan who created it. By choosing these authentic pieces, homeowners are not only decorating their spaces, but also participating in a broader narrative of cultural appreciation and sustainability. This conscious consumerism leads to a sense of fulfillment that extends beyond the transaction, creating meaningful connections between buyers and makers. The versatility of rustic wooden indoor planters adds to their worthiness as an investment. They can seamlessly integrate into various design schemes, whether a modern minimalist home or a cozy cottage-style abode. A rustic planter can serve as a stunning centerpiece on a dining table, adorned with succulents or herbs, while smaller versions can delightfully decorate windowsills or bookshelves, showcasing an array of plants. The adaptability of these planters allows homeowners to experiment with different plant species and arrangements, creating dynamic displays that evolve with the seasons or personal tastes. This versatility fosters a playful approach to decor, encouraging individuals to explore their creativity while enhancing the beauty of their living spaces. Moreover, the act of nurturing indoor plants housed in rustic wooden planters can lead to positive lifestyle changes. As individuals engage with their greenery, they cultivate routines centered around self-care and mindfulness. The act of watering, pruning, and simply appreciating their plants fosters a deeper connection to the natural world, promoting a holistic sense of balance and well-being. This practice can be particularly meaningful in today's fast-paced society, where individuals often seek refuge from the chaos of daily life. Creating a sanctuary filled with plants not only invites tranquility, but also establishes a fresh perspective on the importance of nurturing both the home and oneself. In terms of financial investment, rustic wooden planters often prove themselves to be durable and long-lasting, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. Unlike cheaper plastic counterparts, which can degrade or fade over time, high-quality wooden planters possess the resilience to withstand the test of time, especially when treated and maintained correctly. This durability means that individuals are not merely purchasing a product. They are investing in a long-term relationship with a piece of their home. Over the years, as the planter ages and develops its own character, it becomes an even more integral part of the family's narrative. The gradual transformation of wood, with its shifts in color and texture, enriches the aesthetic experience, turning a simple planter into a cherished heirloom that continues to enhance the home environment. Ultimately, the value of investing time and money in rustic wooden indoor planters resonates on multiple levels, creating a compelling case for their inclusion in any living space. From their visual warmth and health benefits to their sustainability and personal significance, these planters embody a holistic approach to home decor that embraces nature while celebrating craftsmanship. They transform mere corners of living spaces into lush oases of greenery and beauty, inviting individuals to cultivate life and creativity within their homes. As globalization encourages a more transient lifestyle, rooted in digital consumption, The desire for tangible connections to nature and authenticity becomes increasingly significant. By choosing rustic wooden planters, individuals actively reinforce their commitment to sustainable practices, creativity, and conscious living, a celebration of the beauty found at the intersection of earth and art in every loving home. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.